Why you must buy this Funsun DTF printer? I give you 10 reasons. This DTF printer is super powerful. You can do personalized custom printing of t-shirts, sweaters, jerseys, jeans, canvas bags, including any other clothing textile fabrics, such as aprons and even shoes. Any part of the clothing, such as cuffs, necklines, etc., can also be simply printed. The DTF printer is connected to the computer as long as the image is imported into the computer software. Automatic printing, automatic powder shaking, drying, and finally the printed DTF film is automatically rolled up here. About 3 square meters can be printed in 1 hour, and about 100 patterns of this size can be printed. Cut the printed film. Put it on the clothes. Press and iron for about 10 seconds. And then tear off the film. Isn't it simple? Let's take a look at the printed colors, which are much brighter than DTG and screen printing. And the printed color is very bright, especially washable. Don't worry about fading at all. The previous printers and the previous printing technology cannot achieve such an effect. A square meter of printing film, plus printing ink, powder, plus electricity, etc., all add up to a printing cost of no more than $2. You can see about 20 patterns of this size can be printed on 1 square meter. The printing cost of each pattern is about 10 cents, but for a custom-made dress, the profit is at least $5. So the profit for 20 patterns is $100. This DTF printer can print 3 square meters in 1 hour and 24 square meters in 8 hours a day. That's $2,400. 1 day is a profit of $2,400. Are you excited? DTF clothes printer is also a new technology in 2021. So by this printer now, there is less competition and your profit will be higher. In any business, you must seize the opportunity. If you have machines that others don't have, and you have technology that others don't have, your profits will be greater and you will make more money. We have been specializing in the production of various customized printers for 15 years. So machine quality is stable and the operation is simple. We have a full set of installation and learning video materials. Each machine will result in strict testing before leaving the factory. Take a look at our company. Our showroom. You can send us pictures. We will print samples for you for free and show you the printing process and printing effects. If there is any problem with the machine, our technicians will reply to you as soon as possible and will take a video to guide you, so you don't have to worry about technical after-sales problems. We provide door-to-door transportation. You don't have to worry about how to import, customs clearance, etc. A variety of payment operations, bank TT, credit card payment, Western Union, and more. Take a look at the photos of our clients. We specialize in the production and sales of various digital printers for 15 years. More than 3,000 various printers are sold every year. Customers come from more than 100 countries and regions around the world. If you know a friend who is interested in our machine, introduce him to us, and we will give you a commission of $200. We're also looking for partners and agents in some countries. Buy more than 3 units at one time, you can enjoy our agency price. If you are interested, you can contact us for more details of agency cooperation.